Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the audio recording on a phone tree. So here, to get to where we are, you would click on Settings, Phone and SMS, and then click into Greetings and Prompts. And here you'll see the library for all of the recordings that have been uploaded previously to your account. The first thing to take note of is whether or not the recordings that are listed here are in use on your phone tree. So as you would see, this box shows me that the appointments extension recording is tied to the phone tree titled Test Phone Tree. If this is the recording that you want to replace, just click on Edit and then click Replace Audio. You'll have two different ways in which you can change the audio. You can upload the audio file or record the audio right there. For demonstrating for this video, we're going to record an audio by clicking the button and then click to begin. You have reached the appointment extension. Please leave a message after the beep. Thank you. Right? And here you can update the name. You could say appointments extension. Maybe you want to keep track of when the date that you uploaded this. So I will put here January 10th, 2023 and hit save recording. And as you'll see here, this has been updated. If you are curious as to whether or not it is the right recording, click edit again and then hit play and it will play the audio recording for you. And you can hit save or hit cancel because it's already been uploaded and replaced. So that is how you will replace the audio recording on your phone tree. If you do have any questions, please feel free to message us in the support thread so we can further assist. Thank you.